In this video, I'll show you how to check sent friend requests on Facebook step by step. If you want to see all the friend requests you've sent that are still pending, Facebook lets you review them from your account. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the Friends icon or open the menu and select Friends, depending on your app version. Next, tap Friend Requests to open your pending requests. Look for the See Sent Requests or View Sent Requests option. If it's available, tap it to see a list of all the friend requests you've sent that haven't been accepted or declined yet. Browse through the list to review your pending requests. If you no longer want to wait for someone to accept your request, tap on their profile and select Cancel Request or Cancel Friend Request. If you don't see the option to view sent requests in the app, you can also search for the person's profile. If the button says Friend Request Sent or Requested, your request is still pending. Reviewing your sent requests regularly can help you manage pending invitations and keep your account organized. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.